Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Yesterday, US markets were lower slightly. That's mainly because of two things. One is a Fed meeting. The outcome of Fed meeting was as expected. There was no rating cut. It was a status quo. And after that, the Fed chairman spoke, and the reporters asked, Trump was requesting for a rate cut, but he said, that is not his problem. So he doesn't have to listen to the president. So that is how the US democracy works. Okay. Then after the market hours, so the results of three key companies, Tesla, Microsoft, and Meta. The Meta results were good, so the price is slightly higher. Microsoft result was good, but they say cloud computing business was not doing well. So because of that, the share price is down. And Tesla, the result was below expectation, but still the prices are higher. So that is a picture. But many Asian markets are closed, right? And the remaining markets are slightly lower. GIFT Nifty, it is indicating about 30, 40 point lower opening. But GIFT Nifty indication, may not be the correct indication today. Today is the monthly expiry. As I always say, monthly expiries can be more volatile, especially if the previous day very volatile, then expiry day tend to be more volatile. And also, there'll be a huge selling by FIIs. What I call it as the reversal trade. People who wanted to sell, but they did not sell it in the cash market. So they would have sold it in future market. And today, they will square up their shorts in future and they will sell it in the cash market. So that can, so potentially, depending upon the volume of that trade, so markets can move very, very violently. And moreover, today and tomorrow, there are only 2 days before the budget. Those who want to exit, no matter what is the outcome of budget, some people want to exit. So they have only 2 more days of chance. Most probably, these FIAs, may not be coming to the office on Saturday. So the budget day volatility will also be there. If at all they want decided to exit, they will exit before budget. So that can also add volatility. At the same time, the domestic institutions would be very, very active to make sure that, markets are not falling big. So I'm expecting, closing somewhere between 23,000 and 23,300. That is on a closing basis, but intraday basis, we do not know what is going to happen. However, some important thing in US, Infosys was higher, and because there is some news that they are collaborating with the Siemens for some digital learning services. At the same time, both HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank ADRs were lower. So which means that, it is still the overall market is looking negative from the US ADR perspective, just because of this some news related to the Infosys. So the prices seems to be higher. And today, markets will be reacting to some of the results. Like yesterday, Maruti result came around closing time. So Maruti, Tata Motors, Bajaj Finance. So these are all the some of the stocks that will be reacting to the results. And today also there are a number of companies coming out with results. So those companies will also be in focus. But main company today will be Larsen and Toubro. So that Larsen and Toubro, how it will be reacting. But Larsen and Toubro, mostly they will come out with the results after the market hours, not during the market hours. So be ready. Markets can be volatile. Yesterday itself, the premiums did not decay much. And yesterday, especially after 2:45 p.m., I was holding same position markets were there only. Markets did not move. But my MTM profit 10,000 has gone to MTM loss of 2.5 lakhs. Then and a closing time, again, MTM loss has come down to 65,000. So this is the kind of volatility. Yesterday, the market, it was volatile throughout the day, but last 45 minutes, it was even more volatile, mainly because of US Fed meeting and US results and this and that. If all goes well, we should not be, bulls should be defending 23,000. Like at the same time, markets cannot move significantly higher also. So today, expiry related volatility will be there. And tomorrow, once again, the market will be, making a big move. And then Saturday is the D-Day. So Saturday is the most important. So as I've been telling you, every fall is an opportunity to buy some call option. Not to go long in futures or buying the shares because that carries unlimited risk. So buying some options, so that makes sense. So let us see what is going to happen. Today I am not at home, so therefore I did not shoot the video. So this is the audio podcast. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.